Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted low bun hairstyle. To start, I'm curling all the hair away from the face on both sides, and you can use anything, but I'm using my straighteners. Then, once you've got the entire head curled, I've just added some volume powder to the crown area. And again, this is optional, but I've decided to do a little bit of teasing at the roots of the crown to give it a little bit more volume. Now, taking a section to the left-hand side of the crown, I'm just going to twist it towards the middle of the back of the head, just a couple of times, and then I'm going to slip a closed bobby pin up through the centre of that twist. Then we're going to take the same size section just to the right of that, twist it towards the middle of the back of the head and slide a bobby pin through the centre. And we're just going to do this 2 more times. So we're going to do it on the right hand side. Again, twist it towards the middle of the head, bring it over to the left and secure with a pin. And then take the same size section on the left hand side, give it a couple of twists and pin it on the right. Now I've just left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face, and I've taken the rest of the hair from the ear up, and again twist this all towards the middle of the head and bring it over to the right hand side and secure with pins. Then just repeat it on the right hand side, so take all the hair from the ear upwards, twist it towards the head and pin it on the left hand side. Then I've just applied some wax spray just to help with any flyaways, and I'm just pinching and pulling at each one of those twists to create a little bit more soft volume. I'll pop all the products I'm using in the description below. Next, I'm going to apply some texture spray to the rest of those curls. Again, I'll link it below for you. And then taking a slice of hair just behind the ear on the left hand side, I'm going to twist this a couple of times towards the head, and then I'm going to pick up a small section, add it to the twist and keep twisting. So basically every time you twist it, pick up a new section and incorporate it to that twist. Hold it to the right hand side of the head and secure with pins. I like to pop a couple of pins through the centre of the twist and also a couple at the end to make sure it's nice and secure. And then we're going to do the same again, so we're going to go from the right hand side this time, twist it towards the head, add your hair and carry on twisting. Add another piece of hair and carry on twisting until you reach the left hand side of the nape. Again, secure with a couple of bobby pins through the centre and at each side of the twist. And then with those little tail ends, I'm going to secure them with a clear elastic band, making a little loop on the last turn. And then I'm just going to give this one twist and tuck it up underneath that bottom twist and secure with another pin. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.